Now we need to show that the points A, B and C are collinear. Okay, let us begin. First, let's try to understand it graphically. So here we have 3 points. We have the point A, we have the point B, and we have the point C. Now we're also going to consider another point O, which is going to be the origin. Now, with respect to this origin, we can define the position vector of each of the 3 points A, B, and C. All you have to do is join point O and A with the help of a directed line segment. Similarly, to define the position vector of B and C, we join OB and OC with the help of directed line segments. So, what we'll do, now we'll try to define the position vector OA. So, position vector of point A, that is going to be defined by OA vector. Now, we are only provided here with the coordinate value of point A. Now, how do we find out the position vector OA? That's a very simple task. So, let's start with point A. So, here we have the coordinates of point A given as 1, 2 and 7. That means the x coordinate is 1, y coordinate value is 2 and the z coordinate value is 7. For the origin, its coordinates are going to be 0, 0, 0. Now, to find out OA vector, what we'll do, we'll take the final point, the x coordinate of the final point, so that's 1, and from here subtract the x coordinate of the final point, so that's 0. So we're 1 minus 0, and we multiply it with I cap, indicating that this is the value of the vector OA along x direction. Next, for the y coordinate, what we do, we'll take the y coordinate of point A and from here subtract the y coordinate of the origin, so that's 0. So we have 2 minus 0 times j cap, and then for the z coordinate, we have 7 minus 0 times k cap. Simplifying this gives us I cap plus 2j cap plus 7k cap. So well, now we have the position vector of point A. Similarly, we can define the position vector of B and C. So OB vector, that's going to be equals to 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. And the position vector of the point C, OC vector, that's going to be given by 3i cap plus 10j cap minus k cap. Now, what we'll do, we'll find out the vector AB. So AB vector, now AB vector can be obtained in terms of the position vector as take the final point, which is OB vector, and from here subtract the initial point, which is OA vector. So what is OB vector here? OB vector, we have 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. And from here, we have to subtract OA vector, which is I cap plus 2j cap plus 7k cap. That will be equals to I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. We're going to label this as number 1. So we have the vector AB. Next, we will find out the vector BC. So we have BC vector, which is defined in terms of the position vector as OC vector minus OB vector. OC vector, that's 3i cap plus 10j cap minus k cap. And from here, we're going to subtract OB vector. So that's 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. Now, we have I cap plus 4j cap minus 4k cap. Let's this be number 2. This is the vector BC. Now, from 1 and 2, if we observe equation 1 and equation 2, so from 1 and 2, we get the relationship between AB and BC. We get that AB vector equals some scalar lambda times BC vector, where the value of the scalar lambda, that's equals to positive 1. And whenever this particular criterion is met, this simply tells us that the points A, B, and C, these 3 points are collinear in nature. So we have successfully verified that the points A, B, C, whose coordinates are given to us, these 3 points are collinear.